Hi all, welcome to the Urbi Academy. Today topic is FileZilla client for Windows, and here why we are going to use the FileZilla and how we are going to transfer the file from the Windows system to the Linux system, and how if we can choose the file and whether the file is successfully transferred or not, how the FTP or the SFTP file is going to transfer, and why we are going to use the FileZilla we are going to see. Okay, based on the requirement in the project we are going to use the FileZilla or the WinSAP. Today I am going to discuss about the FileZilla, like the how to download it, how to install it, how to transfer the file from one system, like the local system to the remote system. Or there is a one intro questions, and how you are going to transfer the file from your local Windows system to the um, uh, remote system. They will ask the question, you can say we are going to use the FileZilla, and we are going to able to transfer the file. Like this you can answer these questions also. Okay, and let us go ahead and let us see how we are going to download it and how we are going to install it. Then further steps will take care. Okay, go to the Google and type FileZilla for Windows. Okay, the see the FileZilla project.org, and download. Click here, and once you come across this one, here the Windows. If you want the other platform, the like the um, Linux, you can go here and you can check download and you can install Paradise also. Now I am going to install. I am using the Windows 11 system and 64-bit version of the Windows. I am going to go here. I am going to download it. Okay, let me go here and download it. Click here, and here you are seeing, right, a different version of the FileZilla. It will be available here. The FileZilla, it is standard FTP over the TLS and SFTP. This is going to give the FileZilla. This version we are going to install it here, and there is a FileZilla with a manual. It has additional feature. The FileZilla Pro. It is based on our requirement. What else the FileZilla Pro can do here is Amazon S3. We can connect to through the Amazon S3 if you have the FileZilla Pro, and Backblaze B2, Dropbox, and Google Drive, and Box, OpenStack Shift, and batch transfer. Many things we are going to do with the FileZilla or the FileZilla Pro plus CLI. Okay, based on your project requirement, you can go ahead and you can download and you can install it. Okay, and as of now my requirement is the simple file transfer protocol. FTP is file transfer protocol. Okay, SFTP is the secure file transfer protocol. Okay, so I am going to download this one. Okay, let me click on download button here. Okay, so it is the download is starting. Okay, so it is showing like the okay, see here, it will take some time, please wait. 29 10 second, 8 second it is going to take. And once it is downloaded, I will download is completed. Okay, and now I am going to show you how to install the installation steps. Okay, let us go the where it has been. Okay, so click on double click on it. Okay, so it is going to show like this, verified publisher, and this information. Click on yes button. Okay, and then mm, you can what the agreement, license agreement, click on yes. And once you click on yes, it is show the install the new Opera open or one browser. No, I don't want to install the any other new browser. Okay, click on decline it, click on next, and you the choose the installation option, like the if you install this FileZilla, so who and all they can use this one, means I am going to choose anyone who use this computer, all the users I am going to say. Okay, not only for me. Okay, and next. So I desktop icon I don't want, that is the reason. And space, how much space is going to 43 MB only. Okay, and click next. and which path, the C drive and FileZilla client. And if you want the other location also, you can choose it here and you can install there also based on your requirement. I am keep it as the default only. Okay, and which version I am installing is FileZilla client 3.666.4. The folder space required 43 MB. Okay, that give the next. And do not create, I am not going to create the shortcuts. So click on install. Okay, the installation in progress. Once it is installed, the I don't want to start it, I want to start it manually only. So click on finish. Now the installation is completed. Let us go to the search bar. Okay, type the FileZilla. Okay, click here, it is going to open. Now it is open, right? So you can see it here, the host. Here you have to give the host, whichever the host, your username and password, and which port you are going to connect. Click on the quick connect, it is going to connect. Okay, see here the local site means it is our local system. It is showing here like the documents download and other things. It has the drives, all the details, and remote server, and which target system you are going to show. Now I am going to show you I am using the remote system as my Ubuntu system, that I am going to connect using this FileZilla. And my main task is to, my main requirement is, I have the one the file here, like the, let me take the one Java file. Okay, main.java file I want to transfer into the my remote system. So how I have to transfer it? So using the FileZilla, I'm going to transfer it. I will show you. You can see it here, right? Main.java. I'm going to connect to the, for this to connect this, you have to give the host. Where is the host name? Let me go here. Connected through the putty. I'm going to get this host. My host is this. Okay, and username I'm going to give, and give the password. Okay, and I'm going to give the port. Okay, and quick connect. There is in the remote site nothing is there. I'm going to connect. It is showing the okay successful. Okay, yeah, retrieving the directory listing the directory Raju. Okay, in the home directory Raju it is there. You are able to see it here, right? So many things are here. Okay, you can see it here, right? Siva, nothing the this, I want to transfer this main.java file here. Okay, so let me go ahead and transfer it. Now you can see successful transfer, nothing is there. Once I will do the successful transfer and failed transfer, you are able to see the queued file, nothing is there here at the bottom line. Okay, I want to transfer. How we have to just drag and drop. Okay, now I am in the some folder. Okay, so I have choose the document folder I have chosen. You can choose different folder also. Okay, whichever file you want to transfer. Okay, let me do drag this, and I am taking it here. Okay, so where you paste somewhere. Okay, and see here main.java, it came right 21. You can see the date also. Okay, it came. Whether it came or not, how you will conclude here is, okay, let me go ahead and I will show you that also. Okay, ls-ltr, can see here main.java, it has been transferred to the main. Okay, if you want to delete that later also, and you can do that. Okay, so and suppose if I want some file from a remote system to in my local here, means how you have to, the similar way you can drag and drop that also. Okay, what I will do is, there is a one file, this one also I can take, the non-IT, this also I can take, or there is a output. Yeah, this is output is there, right? So let me take this as an example. Okay, can see here, right? That it has been transferred here. Okay, the original file will not be deleted from the the destination, as well as the where the source file. Okay, here also you are able to see, and here also you are able to see. Okay, so in the next session, and I am going to show you like the what is the difference between the WinSAP and like the FileZilla, why we are going to, which is going to win over the, what is the security, why you are going to use the FileZilla and WinSAP. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. And um, if you have the any questions regarding the FileZilla or the any content you want me to make the videos, please comment on this video. I'll make the videos on it. Thank you guys.